Hello.
Welcome to Game Night DLC. My name is Adam Bryant.
Mohawk. Branded Mohawk.
This is Adam Mixes, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a proper vodka martini.
Hence the suit. This is why.
Hence the suit.
This is the suit.
First of all, in my opinion, great vodka to use for any drink, but especially martini. Tito's. Love Tito's. And for your martini, when you're going to take your shaker, it's going to be 3 ounces of vodka. So for your old counting at home, that's a 12 count if you use a pour spout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That seems like so much vodka.
3 ounces, buddy.
That seems like a lot of vodka. That seems like a lot of vodka.
Before you do that, you also want to grab some extra dry vermouth, but it's going to be a very, very, very little bit. About 1/8 of an ounce. What I usually do to kind of mitigate it is I'm just going to pour a little bit in there. Then I like to just swirl my glass. Just kind of coat the inside of the glass with it just a bit. And what you want to do is you want to have a little bit to help accentuate the flavor of the vodka. You don't want to overpower it. That's really all it's there for. Just give it a nice little accentuation.
Just the tip. Just to see what it tastes like.
So then once you get the glass coated, you can just kind of drip the rest out. Then take a shaker.
Shaking. Not shaking.
Yep, much like James Bond, I prefer my martini shaken, not stirred. You can stir them, I just think shaking actually infuses the vodka a bit better, chills it better, overall just enhances the flavor more, so I prefer shaken. About a scoop of ice, dump that bad boy in, and again, the rule of thumb when you're shaking a cocktail is once your fingers kind of stick to the metal, that's when it's ready. So here we go.
So enough to do the James Bond 007 theme song for the first measure.
Grab your strainer, and then of course, 2 green olives on a toothpick. Drop that bad boy right in there, and pour.
This seems like so much fun.
See how it's right up to the rim, just below it, like it should be? That is a proper Tito's vodka martini. Cheers.
Thank you, Chef. For this, I've got a mission with money. It's actually really good.
Mm-hmm.
And you really don't. I was really worried I was going to taste a lot of vodka because I'm not a vodka fan. You don't really taste the vodka.
Now you gotta be real careful with these. You can put a few of these back out without realizing it.
I feel like a proper spy now.
If there's anything that's kind of anti-Jugarita, it's a vodka martini.
Of course, you have to say that as I'm taking a sip. Piece of shit.
So guys, that's Adam Mixes for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget, of course, like the like button, subscribe button, bell notification, all that shit. And, drink responsibly. Drink only if you're of legal age. We are not responsible for the behaviors of anyone who watches this video. This is for informational purposes only. It's not meant to actually educate.
Yeah.
Whatever that shit is. Anyway, guys, we'll see you on stream. Don't forget, every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, you'll find these 2 chuckle fucks up on the Twitch, streaming the video games and telling dick jokes.
Yep.
That's twitch.tv/itsgamenight. Until then, I'm Adam Bryant.
I'm 0069 Brandon Mohawk Williams.
Son of a bitch. Good night, guys. We love you. Stay safe out there. We'll see you on stream.